Right, good morning everyone. It is July, 22nd. We are gathered in Scarborough this morning, bright and early. 7:30 a.m. So this one's a little bit different. We're going to Canadian Armed Force Museum. It's a little bit different from the actual private jets, and these are actually military grade jets that we're going to. A little bit of historical museum as well. It's out in Trenton area. So we'll be doing a drive, about 2-hour drive on the highway. We have about 60 cars, I think, with us today. So it should be a good highway run, as well as some good footage once we get there. Let's check out some of the cars. So we just did the drive on 401 towards Trenton, I believe, where we are. It is the National Air Force Museum of Canada. Cars are just rolling in. I'll show you guys the building first, and then we'll look at some of the cars coming in and some of the planes that are here as well. This shows aerial photography, how they used to take aerial photos back in the day. A lot of little details.
Never make it past your door, but now I'm spinning beats that make you move, while you're still searching for your groove. I built this sound from all the hurt.
So as you can see, there's a lot of stones on the ground with memorial. These are memorial stones of people that have served the military, their names, where they're from, and years of service. Or there's a lot of stones, memorial stones, all over the place. Very beautifully laid out. You can walk around the whole place. There's old military aircraft parked all over the place. Very unique experience, pretty humbling.
Voice inside the beat that you're dancing to tonight. Every drop that makes you breathe used to be my fight. Now you're lost inside my sound, while I'm flying way up high. Tell me, how does it feel now when the music makes you cry? Every set I play, I see your face in the crowd, but you can't find your place. 'Cause the kid you broke became the king.
Very cool experience, highly worth checking out. It's been a good day. It's very hot today. It's 35, almost 40 degrees. So we're getting ready to roll out. And that's a wrap on Bomber Jets with Saturn's Drive.